Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Wi-Fi option not showing fix on Windows 10. First method is, type services in Windows search bar. Click services. Open WLAN Auto Config. Make sure startup type is automatic. Start service. Click OK. Type Device Manager in Windows search bar. Click Device Manager. Click and expand network adapters. Select wireless LAN network adapter. Right-click, click Update Driver. Click Browse My Computer for drivers. Click Let me pick from a list of available drivers. Click Next. Click Close. If same error exists, second method is, type Device Manager in Windows search bar. Click Device Manager. Click and expand network adapters. Select wireless LAN adapter. Right-click, click Uninstall device. Restart computer. If same error exists, third method is, type Device Manager in Windows search bar. Click Device Manager. Click and expand network adapters. Select wireless LAN adapter. Right-click Properties. Click Power Management. Uncheck Allow the computer to turn off the device to save power. Click OK. If same error exists, fourth method is, type System Configuration in Windows search bar. Click System Configuration. Click Services tab. Click Enable All. Click Apply, OK. Click Restart. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.